I'm glad that you brought this up, Hannah, because I want to share something with you and everybody to look at this from this perspective. Okay. So I'm going to share my iPad here and I'm going to draw this out. So with everything being equal, let's say that you have, I'm just going to draw this here like this. Okay. You start out with, you have a $97 product here. Now let's say a $297, $497. I'm just going to do like the typical product ladder thing. Then you have like $997 and like $1997. And let's say high ticket. I don't like using that word, like high ticket, right? $4997. Right? And on this area here, this is profit. And this is time. But more importantly, what I want to point out to you here is, again, all things being equal, because we can debate this back and forth, but just stay with me that all things being equal, let's say it takes you 3 months to sell, get everything set up in your $97 product. Let's say it takes you another 3 months. 3 months. These are all 3-month intervals of doing this product ladder thing. You start here, then you go here, then you go here. It's all 3 months. And even this is 3 months. And these are what I call units of time. Okay. So every time you move or wherever you start, it's going to take you 3 months. If you did all of this, that would be, if my math is right, $1,888. Like one person going through. Okay. And it took you what, 9 months to do it. I'm sorry, I'm not, forget this. I did it wrong. My math is wrong. It's up to $997. This one here. Okay. I totally screwed that up. But anyway, you get where I'm going with this, right? So this would take you 6 months, 12 months to do it. 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 12 months to do it. If you focused only 3 months on your premium dream client, then you're already making more money. In either case, if you did a $1997 or $4997, right? That's the difference, because we think it's easier to sell this $97 person than it is here. But that's not true, because the amount of time that you put into anything is the exact same thing. You're just speaking to a different audience. That's all it means. So it's units of time. I'm spending my time in areas that I know that I could help in units of time. Same, if I just put the same effort into speaking to a different audience for the next 3 months, then I'm going to get at least one $5,000 customer instead of a $50 customer.